Hey guys, so I got a front lip. I'm gonna keep this short and simple. We're gonna prep this thing, paint this, and put it on the FC. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so because I'm in non-professional, I'm gonna strip this paint with brake cleaner, and we're just gonna use this random bag of sandpaper that I found in my closet, and we're gonna do the best that we can. Alright gang, quick change of plans. I got the lip loaded up in the G20, and we're actually gonna go to a secret spot that I know to finish this job. Is it focused? Alright, so we're at the back room of my local O'Reilly's. I got acetone, and we're pouring it on the lip now. Getting acetone. Alright guys, so you don't have to pan.
Oh, okay.
So we're using this, you don't have to hold it, it's on a tripod. We're using this paint stripper now, because I ran out of acetone. So we're using this.
Oh shit.
And new sandpaper.
It's hard being in the life of Alex Shu, huh?
It's rough in these streets, bro. Pro tip, don't buy an RX7 and don't buy a front lip. Alright guys, ignore the sound in the background, but I started painting it. I didn't record the first part of it because I was just kind of test painting to see how it'd come out, and it's actually looking pretty good. As long as it's black is all I really care about. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on painting. Forgot to mention, I'm using Duplicolor, and this is Brilliant Black Pearl. So I think this was the old lip that was on this car. You guys can see that it's like cracked and stuff where it's broken off, and it's been just sitting at the bottom of the bumper for a long time. So I think this is all part of the old lip. I think I'm gonna toss this. I don't think I need this. I don't think it's originally part of the bumper. I honestly think it was a lip because it looks like it was broken right here. So, and it was painted right here. So toss that, and let's go put the new one on. Alright guys, so I ended up, ooh, it's bright, too bright. I ended up putting the lip on. It doesn't fit perfectly, so I kind of got tired of trying to bend it and make it fit exactly the way it should and really flush. It's on there and I'm gonna show you guys, but it's not like super flush. It looks okay, but it's just not perfect. You guys gotta remember that. So I'll show you guys. So here's the lip, and it's okay. It's on there. But if you look real closely, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's really bright. Like there's a gap right here. Oh yeah, there you go. So it's supposed to be like, I don't want to pull on it because it's fiberglass, I'm gonna break it. It's more flush over here. This gap is okay. It's this that kind of bothers me right here, this gap. But from a distance, the lip looks really good. Flush on this, pretty flush on this side. Yep. So, I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Oh yeah, there's more gap. You can see more gap there. Ah, geez, that one's bad. I don't like that. But I don't want to keep tugging on it. I don't want to keep tugging on it and trying to force it to fit because it is fiberglass. So I don't want to do all that to it, and I don't want to be tugging on it and pushing it and it's gonna snap in half. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. From a distance it looks really good, so we'll just keep it like that. As long as you don't walk up real close to my car, it looks okay. So, I'm probably gonna take it out on a drive later and take some pictures. So I'll catch you guys later.
Witness the greatness. Ready to witness the greatness.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie. I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time. I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time. Emotions running high. I wish you felt alright. Just hitting my line.